What's up, guys? I picked up these Air Max 97 silver bullets on the Air Max 97 restock, silver bullet restock that just took place. I was lucky enough to get these a couple weeks ago, to be honest. I had gone on a bit of a shopping spree at Foot Locker, and as I was walking out, the employee stopped me and said, "Hey bro, we've got some pretty special sneakers at the back if you want to take a look." And I said, "Yeah, for sure." And so he pulled these out, and I said, "You know what? I might just have to get them." So shout out to that guy at Foot Locker for giving these to me 2 weeks early, I think. Here they are, the Air Max 97 silver bullet. Pretty serious sneaker, if you ask me. So as you can see, the shoe looks like a silver bullet. Very interesting. It's pretty fire. I don't love it too much, but when I throw it on foot, I kind of feel pretty awesome with it. It's got almost full air quality. And our lighting system is not doing very well, I guess. I meant to say it almost has a full air unit, but it's not all the way full air. Moving on to the next sneaker. Here's the other sneaker here. Alright, so we have the second pair of silver bullets out here. I'm just gonna throw this Nike box in the background. The laces are pretty interesting. Pretty cool shoes if you ask me. I mean, they're not perfect, but what shoes are. When they're on foot, they're kind of cool. I'm gonna show you that in just a second. They literally look like silver bullet shoes, if you ask me. It says Air Max right here at the back. Pretty classic sneaker, by the way, if you didn't already know, the Air Max. They look a little silly sometimes when you look at them and not have them on anyone's feet, but once you see them on my feet, you'll know that there's a reason that these are pretty popular. They're kind of, it's an inexplainable reason, to be honest. All in all, it's a pretty fly shoe. I'm glad I picked it up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them, but I had to pick them up. You know, he offered it to me, so I just did it. All right, guys, I'm gonna put these on. Loosen them up a little bit. And I think these sneakers are supposed to be worn super loose, but I could be wrong, so don't hate. Let's get the other one on here. As you can see, as soon as they're on, they look better already. I kind of wish that these were like Air Max 90s or something like that, or Air Max 2016s in this colorway, because I like those a lot. But this colorway is pretty fly, I must admit. As you can see, the silver bullets on foot look kind of funny when they're loose. Maybe I should tie them up and see how they look. As you tie them, they feel, to be honest, nothing changes. I'm not tying them too tight. I was gonna say they feel tighter, but that's pretty obvious. So I'm just gonna tuck these in real quick, and you can see how it looks. You can compare the two sneakers right here. One's tucked in. And you know, I find that they look kind of awkward today. Let me just set them up in a perfect way. We gotta get them super loose, but you gotta even them out amongst all the laces. Because if they're not even, then they start to look a little funny. you kind of separate this a little bit, then you pull this up, because you don't mind some extra at the top hanging out. I think this is almost ideal. And as you can see, I think they're starting to look a little bit better. That's the thing with shoes like this. Similar to Yeezys, if you lace them up well enough, they look much better. Although people lace up their Yeezys however they want, I like them loose. All in all, it's a very popular shoe. I thought I'd share it with you. I was lucky enough to get it on the Restock for retail. I know sometimes these go for over retail. I think now they're going for slightly under, but I'm still glad I got them. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.